happening to me. My face is leaking. What? Liquid is dripping out of my nose, and sometimes it shoots out with explosive force. Like that.
Face isn't leaking. You just have the flu. This guy, he's got leaky face. Here's a tissue. There you go. And a bucket.
I have the flu? Oh no.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. I literally got it. Whatever it is, okay? On... Oh my god, okay. The week before fucking Thanksgiving, dude. I literally got it the week before Thanksgiving.
I have really bad allergies today. I feel I couldn't even get it out. I felt a sneeze attack coming on. I'm gonna wash my hands. But guys, look how cool my pants are. Wait, I'm gonna give you guys a full. Jesus, every time I think there's not any more, there's more. I don't even know if you can see me in this, but hold on. Everyone.
It's called the anniversary effect. The anniversary of an event brings back tribal psychological floodgates, so to speak.
Well, what do we do when that happens?
Well, from what we know about post,
Holy freaking shit.
and who's still learning, okay, there's two modes. Be patient with it, pressure and some. Select blended lights.
What do you think? It's getting worse and worse, and we're just supposed to pretend like
It sounds counterintuitive, but I assure you that's really the best thing.
holy shit.
I need a break. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I need a break. After this loop, I'm going inside. I need a minute. Every single time I go around 9 holes, it gets like 10 times worse. I can't even speak. Help me. Oh my gosh.
They went for 2.5 hours. God, what the frick? God. Fuck you, Ribs. Bye. Fuck you, sneezes. Ugh. Why?
These are sneezes 40 through 45 in the Sneeze Chronicles.
my pepper. Always. Holy balls. I always used to think that was a joke that cartoons use pepper to get people to sneeze. And it's so real. So real.
You'll see my spot. Doesn't that look attractive? My snot. Had to clean my nostrils for more. And pepper. Just tickling.
Yes! Somebody's calling my phone. Who's calling my phone? Thank you for the God bless yous instead of laughing. Thank you. You know when you sneeze, your heart stops for 0.1 seconds. That's why you say bless you. Because they could have died.
Microneedling treatment number 3. Okay, we're doing 0.5 today. I am doing this 2 times this week because I actually seen that at such a low depth, it's fine to do 2 times a week, but if you're getting above, anything above 1.0 depth, you should do once a week, or even like once every 2 to 3 weeks. So, at the low depth that I'm doing, I think it's gonna be fine. Because there's nothing. I have washed my face and my eyes are a little puffy because it's allergy season. If you know, you know that scratch. It's so good when you take your makeup off. So, for it first.
first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported. Neese.